Your big engine is misfiring, shaking, and basically telling you it is sick. And that P02F7 code is the smoking gun. This isn't something you want to ignore, because we are talking about a range or performance issue with the fuel injector on cylinder number 10. If you are driving a V10 or a V12, you know that power is everything. And right now, your powertrain control module, or PCM, is seeing mixed signals. If you keep driving like this, you are not just burning extra gas, you are risking damage to your catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, and even internal engine components due to detonation. So let us get your hands dirty and fix this. The first thing I've learned over decades of turning wrenches is that complex problems often have simple solutions. Do not rush to buy a new injector just yet. Pop the hood and locate cylinder 10. Check the electrical connector on that injector first. Is it loose? Is there green corrosion on the pins? Honestly, a loose or dirty connection causes this code more often than a dead injector. Pull the connector off, inspect the pins to make sure they aren't pushed out or bent, clean it up, apply some dielectric grease, and snap it back on. If the wiring looks good, grab a long screwdriver. Place the metal tip against the body of the injector and put the handle to your ear while the engine is running. You should hear a rhythmic clicking sound. If it is silent, it is either not getting power or it is dead. If it is clicking but you still have the code, it might just be clogged. Before you spend big money on a replacement, try a direct injector cleaning kit. You'll need to pull the fuel pump fuse, let the car stall out to depressurize the lines, and hook up the cleaner bottle directly to the fuel rail test port. Let the engine run on that pure cleaner until the bottle is empty. This concentrated cleaning often clears out the gunk that normal additives can't touch. If that doesn't work, then yes, it is time to swap out that injector. But try the simple stuff first. It usually saves the day.